See, it is crazy. No, not this. Check out. This place carries something here. No. Carry go here. No, me. Shake on, wait. My phone inside. So what's me? Sister, I love one sister. Why they see with you now? She they carry colored hair. Fine, sister. They carry colored hair and you want it by. What's the orange? Yes. For that very position where you did, turn. Celeste, how far? Doors over. Hey! No, they help me. I know they like her. I know they like helping. What do you want? Black vultures. The vultures are wild.
In fact, I'm happy for you.
Where's it, Daddy?
Oh, my easy. I'm going to make a jump. I institution we are learning here.
Yes, Daddy.
You understand? In Noreva Magbira was in school. Always remember one thing, that you are from a Christian home.
Exactly.
Oh, Daddy. Not like where they disturb you going because in your family naked. I don't do such thing.
What's it?
Yeah, dress half naked for what?
In Nomarum you are going there for studies.
Yes, sir.
You have to be vigilant about it.
Okay, sir.
And have that focus. You understand?
Yeah, Daddy.
Say ya, mama yes say we nikata e ka ho. E no say ba we me do play biekani because money ajo we bani we ni ya megbe.
Daddy, I know you understand. Yet behavior neme one kedi.
Thank you. Osalopo no be baoge we. I know God will straighten you for that from that area. In Noreva, okay, 2 weeks now.
Yes.
No we bari school. Within until this weekend. My rally round. I mean, I have you at school.
Okay, Daddy, where's it?
Understand? Since a 2 weeks, you know, okay, so 2 weeks in every yard back.
Okay.
When you hear what Kaunania, okay, me a walk back. Because me, my own one look you there.
At all.
Maybe on a phone, we will let it not before we will let it. I don't want it.
And if need be, a mega fool, you have in the game.
Where's the mom?
And that echo will listen on you.
Without
be anywhere when you go, you know, we are in a cool. I'm waiting.
Daddy.
Amazing! Oh my God, I'm a graduate. I know with God, all things are always possible.
Yes. And if it's possible,
trust you. Love you. Aware, I say.
Open now.
That's it. Office time.
Okay, Daddy.
Yeah, I'm not going in the office.
Okay.
Now, remember the look when not dropping me.
We are dropping me.
Daddy, my driving.
Oma,
yes, Mommy.
Minister, how far I do. We ain't going to
Have a good day.
as in, even though we are going to get my hair school. School, my line.
Okay. You may wear. It was a big week now. I mean, our package. When next week, I'll drop in school.
Millicent, wake up now. Wake up!
You may be here.
We meant to wait here. Babe, a year secondary school, Majimana. After Magbera level in a higher institution, all line now. Babe, come on! See, you know the secondary school where we say your parents don't see they pamper you up and down. See, now higher institution, they enter like this. So, I'm not hacking you at a yard of school. You see me so. Even rock pan here the time I wear Miona, Ejonona, when is historical jail now. Based on me, Me easy, baby. We know they take am easy. You know the matter normally.
Easy, your body too.
You need to auto.
See, when I'm here, you don't understand my family. You don't say a Christian family. Around when a deacon, you a deaconess. Everything. You know what you do the big person. When they meet here, so I was like, we are Jimmy. So next week, you'll say I will stay. You say,
Babe, we'll still here on stage.
hey, now your master.
Come on. Oh, no, real still. What is it? We're doing it. In your school, we need to do those doing so. I'm on way on your magic school. On your magic. And nera visual.
We will have to get on.
Babe, me roge nera visual here. I'm aware school. You be big girl your own. Now university you enter, so you need to carry yourself. Say, Afa, I be girl on my own. Me easy baby, not the take her easy with anybody. Me mommy scared, me daddy scared.
This is where I mommy scared, baby.
Yeah. Me, you want to send the account here? I'm a letter.
It means about 80,000 naira.
It's 80,000. Yes, 80,000.
Yes.
I'll send the account here. The reason you send the account here is you won't tell if the Millicent in need of your school.
Okay.
I will gone. We must know we get our make beladia.
All right.
When we are there,
We
check we make any need. So you know.
Neni go me wa mi o ko ba ya na wa o. Ye ni wa te we to wa re your account.
You want 80,000. Oh, where we go. Let me. I'm me o ma to attend.
O ta gbe.
I check me. Nobody can go. I tell you that in. I tell you we already go in my account. Nobody go be account.
Adeyo.
The thing whatever wa de ba ya be. Elubi edore wa lenu kure. We are where we go.
La wo ni sa enu ale
Let
kuri.
me listen to Bonia.
Or the does your nya we gba mi admission. Is yegbe.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, so don't
Okay. Imami Ewo was in.
Okay.
Mama, I'm up to work.
All right.
Later. Okay.
Okay. Me are you tana?
Okay.
Yeah, you tana.
All right.
What's it? Oh dear. Baby, you there?
Mommy, I need excuse.
Okay.
Mommy, where are you?
It's a service. It's service now.
Mommy, I don't understand where we're at all.
How?
Up till now, next week when I eat school, I've not heard anything from you and my dad. At least by now, if we are shop, money we change your wardrobe in there, and food stuff, provisions. No, nothing like that. What feel of concern?
Only say, it's a one moment. Every time we are church in the Bible, we eat our way. Era you go your account. We are shopping way. We are the ave ukun keke. The provisions. We are here back. No make enough.
Mommy, where we shopping in me?
Yes, now.
Where?
If what they go your account, they are the limit your way.
Mommy, I best spend me that. Where we are shopping? Mom, me here. Am I a child? Even me, once again, we gain admission into the higher institution. But we are shopping here. Mommy, I'm no longer a child. I'm grown up already.
Even if you are not a baby, as a can you in the school.
Mommy, I don't want to hear it. We go to my shop. I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear the instruction. Whether instruction.
Are you not telling me that was a school player misbehave? I don't want
to hear it. Mommy, I don't want to hear the instruction. Please give me my money to go and shop for myself.
Find more with you. Every time yet in your bog with I. Mo Johnny. It's the go to church in the
Half a bit. I don't go shop down. If you see the kind of mad clothes where they carry, they go school.
Really?
God.
You're good. Don't wear man. You don't be like me. This kind of family with me for your Christian church. Even my church in school.
Afa, who will you do money?
Bear waiting. Era me when you are shopping me. Say me go shop, me go buy normal gown, skirts for me. Like say I be omomo tata.
Babe. Hey, what the way family me we are? O sa we say ma ke gbe family me na re. Na ko na wa me bu you.
Egbe wa wo.
Wa hia dukmo, ijo hia donu. Wa hia the pants, ijo hia donu. Even pad, ijo odo inu. Wa ge yo hia be zo donu hia o me.
My sister, This thing tire me.
Oh, say mama tire mama may swear.
I am
Can
tired.
you imagine me? Guy, you know me now. I shop for myself. I shop what I want.
Trust you now.
Okay, that's to say, oh, wait. Can you imagine? Babe, a campus life or different in a life in Mali.
tired?
According to the story in Meye, here where Uga like school, you behave like a big girl. Who do I make click? A group you were. As in, mature. I hope you maybe not hear a job. Because if not those ones, a friendship goes spoil.
No, that's why me get you as friend. Wait, I mean me out now because me no get money. I mean, you. Oh God.
Okay. Yes.
Easy.
You know
Easy when take am easy.
I know they take am easy at all.
Your brain,
It dey
dey
work.
work way.
Runner.
You know what I mean? You want it?
Runner.
Runner. Yeah, the things yeah. This guy, God, you know.
Honestly, now, see, if you enter...
A service saying Denny. Me observe. Holy Spirit was ministering to me. But that woman on a green card.
Okay.
No, don't know that what tag with her.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
Daddy, Mommy. Mommy, I'm fine. Just that important issue you want to discuss with you.
Go on. Madonna.
It's about my education.
What is it?
Daddy, also when I go again admission the same time in Park Career School,
Yes.
or where when man digoji about 150 to 170,000 my way registration with school. That without that, I couldn't my like class receive any lecture.
150,000
Yes, Daddy.
to say it's 170,000.
70. That's about 200,000 naira.
Yeah, with my with registration.
Registration in your school.
Yes, sir.
The school no matter the ila.
That didn't hear when I came out total.
Okay, there's no problem. Though presently I don't have enough cash with me. Right? All I would do was hire a school name. When it's a school, Megari, do meet the management. To ask about what you are telling me now. I need to know if me hear someone say, oh yeah. So do you give him the right one signing? But tell this morning, I will see what I can do.
My dear.
Hey no.
But when I got to him,
Mommy, go on.
why are you not doubting her? And moreover, and you ain't taking over school. Or my rock banner over school. Now, I'm out to go ya if you eh? The important thing is that Immaculate anything, not distracted education. And you know, are you not the one that have been there for over how many years now, from primary till this stage? This is the final. Now we finish here for now.
Okay.
Daddy.
It's okay. Okay. I'm
What's
very
it?
Ovive you know. Ya bi lu iwo ne.
My dear.
But presently at home, there's no money with me. But I promised you, if I'm coming back from office tomorrow, I will withdraw the money along with me.
Wow, Daddy.
What's it, my dear? What's it?
Alright, so Daddy, what's it?
Okay.
So, yeah, fish in the way.
Alright.
Well,
Alright.
What's it, my
there's no problem. I'll be there.
Hey, like, wait, that
I'm not your one in a good one.
Okay.
I'm going to go at this point. We'll be as
We need to track you in now. Okay.
Oh, yeah, it's in here.
When we want to on so as my parents just counted the same, they say we'll do registration for school, say make I owe like 150 or 170,000 naira.
Babe, 170.
My dad bossed me 150,000 and then you give me.
Babe, 150?
Yes, now. And I call like you know go shop. Like what say I have a labu, I have a ganiji, me adele skirt.
Babe, you don't hammer 150K. No,
Let's check them out.
let's see clothes.
You see, jeans, bomb shotgun,
I just see so, babe, you don't hammer. Everywhere good.
What you hear me doing? Go and keep inside the one. What is going on? So say school money. I mean, I'm a so I beg you. So if you reach school, what's next to when?
Yeah, I trust you. I trust you.
Your
no
brain
problem.
it's sharp.
Where be easy?
They will idea now. Me, about to arrive at the lab. Hey,
Egbale native in Nigeria. We are just with them. A friendship is a work course, babe.
it's different in your brain.
It a what?
Baby, go here, baby.
Okay. All right.
Cool.
My dear, take care of yourself. I know the Lord must lead you through.
Amen.
The Almighty Father that creates heaven and earth will protect your going, protect your coming.
Amen. Mommy, I won't disappoint you.
My dear, the Lord is always your strength.
Amen.
Just be yourself. Let me drop her in school.
All right.
Yeah,
Baby. Don't disappoint your father.
I won't.
Don't disappoint your mother as well.
Okay, Mom.
Yeah, drop her in the
Okay. We are my neighbor's office.
No, in the office. Or while you did.
Baby, bye bye.
Yes, now inside this place, that the man they follow. Where man you wala?
Master go hear this again.
Yes, now.
Sister Lee, I agree to now.
Shut up! Now, so let's say they talk to you, then you still they make mouth. Who be this one say? Where you for come out?
Sister Lee, calm down now. Eh? Now I also come now. Calm down.
Who be your sister? What did they walk you? Eh?
We need to observe this girl. Be like say she carry something.
Oh, Mama, when you rock back?
Babe, stand for there. Turn.
Beto, this babe carry, he carry something there. See, he dey craze.
No, not this. Check out.
This babe carry something here.
Go
Oh.
come here.
No.
You carry go come here.
No, nah. Me.
Shake on, wait.
My phone dey inside.
So what's me do?
Sister Lee, I love one sister. Why they see with you now? She dey carry colored hair. Fine sister.
They carry color there, now your money take by. Eh? What did they worry you?
You don't do now. Now master they talk about. Nothing a master you describe.
And it be like she fine where get colored hair. I love that. Her doing is mad.
Babe, move.
Wow.
What did they happen? What they?
Mama, master, sister, Bohia, welcome.
Who you be? Yes. Turn. For that very position where you did, turn. Celeste, how far? Doors have them.
Everywhere good, mama. No
Clear?
No
It's okay, but I don't know I might finish you.
Not to deal with her.
I love your doings. Your doings they fly. Your doings too mad. You and your friends.
Hey! No, they hype me. I know they like her. I know they like hyping. What do you want?
Mama, for like my Jonah. Mama, my name na easy way not they take am easy. If you carry me Jonah, everywhere go mad.
Hey! Calm down. See me around this place tomorrow. I did around this place. See me tomorrow.
Like this. I know that you go ask.
Yes!
Do it.
Move.
Una do it smart though.
Just go.
I know so not do it say they fly.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, we do it so.
Fem, go out here with you.
Thank you.
I like the game. We don't even when I was serving. Black vultures. The vultures are wise. Black vultures. The vultures are wise. That's my mama. Make that clear. Wait for you.
Mama, good afternoon.
Easy.
Mama.
How you dey?
I dey fine, ma. Mama, what when you are there now?
Yes. More time away when we are there now.
smart as they be so. I like you.
Thank you, ma.
I want you to be part of us.
Really? Oh, Mama, where's it? Oh my God, where's it?
See, you know how this matter they be so, eh? For this very matter, so 50K wakawari yoto. Then, Laone, I will want you to bring another person.
50,000 okay, we need your marriage. That's the only two conditions.
Yes.
Mama, I probably never need now. That one not reach do. I'm a small thing.
Okay.
Yeah,
So let me introduce myself properly. My name is Freda Johnson. FJ for short.
Whoa.
Yeah. Mama me le ka person na digbase. Okpiaro ohoro. Ti afin anima. Me and my babes no darling with us.
Mama, I believe your doings. As in, for us, you may have a locate to where everybody they talk your matter for the school. Or you have a locate to where.
Easy. As they be so, if you don't ready, I will tell you where to meet us.
Mama, I don't ready. Now tomorrow I'll come give you the money.
Good. I will send message across to you. No
wahala. Mama, I'll locate you if the 50K ready by tomorrow evening. What's good? How far? Where was door? Where do they be now?
Is it that way friends were keeping them?
Eh? Now FJ they run the school now. Where my FJ? How far? Show
Go where?
Do they be my party now?
When you met to the big party now, I don't feel join.
You too only safe. Now what for you? Everything you just only from head to toe. Come join us.
Easy. Enjoy yourself with your friends. Me, I day hostel. They wait for you.
Hey, no concerning level in Niga, I'm winning now. We were TB every time. Mama, you just feel unconcerned. Why? Baby, school man, you can't wake up. Eh?
Easy. When we were going, my parents still believe we're a hostel. But right now, off campus, easy. But see, Easy, we are here to study. In my life, I do year school. We are supposed to concentrate on what brought us to this school. Hey, do hang out with all those friends?
Hey, relax. Hang out with all those friends. Friends in my hang out with as those my good friends that know what's up. Anyway, where they don't know what they are doing. Babe, calm down now. We beg FJ now worldwide. Then the campus in Agbase. Again, all daji. Una deba ma be level na nia. Who like class o? Who ma like class o? Who pass?
You see where the problem lies? That's where the problem lies. If parents were here spend the whole year here send the way to school. Who depend on okay where a block it pass or someone go write exam test for me. For how long? Okay, fine. Who they block na pass now after we graduate? Why have my parents were?
Babe, calm down. School na ni marry do enjoy.
I can see.
I understand.
I can see.
In fact, I'm not by on control. My free life, you know. I can club, I can drink, I can smoke, I can
Easy,
be whatever I want
please.
to.
Easy, please, slow down. Slow down. Those your friends, to me, they are not friends. Anyway, for me, I cannot hang out with such people. You make sense?
That's your own upbringing. Where's your anger, but babe? It's the real fact. I'm telling you. You need to join us. The Black
Can I
Vultures.
please just concentrate on my studies? Yatiebe.
Black Vultures. In your desk, Onaji. I'm a lecturer, so in your back.
Yeah, ma, the dear desk, you ma, that you can measure. You ma need the yeah, but it's a baby. Because I need to read now. Ah.
Okay. That's my mama. Hello? Is my mama there? May they deliver for you worldwide. FJ, the one and only, the queen mother. Hey, now you be the queen now.
Follow your command for us here.
Now you be the queen.
Let me opportunity.
The queen. Mama, everywhere good. Your girl lawyer. See, I go serve your government. You don't get the big pass. Mama, condition me anyhow way you want me. Be condition me. Now for me to carry the matter out, straight out. I deal with you, ma. Okay, no problem. I dey come with you. No wahala. Okay, ma, block you. And normally, okay, I dey come. That's my mama. FJ the queen. The queen, the one and only. Your girl lawyer. Hey! Alpha, the FJ call me like this, so I need to block her. You get what?
You're free.
You know, say my normal level.
Let's see chance read my book.
My normal level. I don't tell you the matter. You need to come join us. You know the story now.
I see Alpha.
Who were set for?
That's
Alpha, why are you receiving lecture?
Hey, we lecture about 20 minutes time. We cover class work and come and training.
Okay.
We have an enjoy off camp.
Now wait till I go enjoy now.
Avio.
Even though they're there by a rough camp, ma no.
My need only for now. Anyway, let me roll along.
Alright.
Alpha. Eh? Who be this girl?
That one. My childhood friend though. Benny Young, from primary, secondary, the same school.
Are you serious? But they made me work together like one-on-one. They made me work with another.
Mama with a package. Mama mean it to me every day by day. My package.
Wait, you mean say this girl did this school?
Now you know the current concubine. See,
I'm material.
easy. That girl, I love her.
I know it.
Mama, listen,
I love that girl.
And then give me the single thing when I like for you, mama. That's my mama for it.
See, make this girl not waste my time. When I name me, I get things to do with my time.
I'm a patient.
Hey! Make the liver for my mama. My mama will get dois. The dois queen. The Vultures queen.
Easy, we're not easy like that.
I told it for you, mama.
But you know, say I too like you, Sha.
Now, so me, I like you. Now, the dois, now they fly.
You know why I like you? Because at times, me they wonder whether your soul they come out, they leave your body.
Mama, I don't tell you, don't enter street. Okay,
I too love you. Eh? You know, say I tell you that time where a level now with that Debrane, or maybe Sonia or I tell you that. Sure. That your babe where they always they follow you, they can one in the weather and they I want you to toast her for us. Tell her say I like her. Tell her say FJ want her.
Mama, that one not reach to before. A mimi ni a family no carry. A family ni a street be. Era a dikino. Is a dikiness. He wa monitor again. Mama, I know say no reach do normally. I go try because that family get it. Now you be the queen now. The queen of the Vultures.
Black Vultures.
The Vultures are wise.
Black Vultures.
The Vultures are wise.
The door is clear.
Hello, come on. Mommy, I did fine. I just did. School did fine. Mommy, daddy, Okay. Mommy, the reason why I not call you, I need some money. Even I. And secondly, you hand that to me running away there. I don't need some money. Mommy, anything we do, anything we send it going now. It's not but mommy may still swear small. Okay, mommy. My dad finished a test last week, so my exam. So after the exam, yeah, I deal. Isn't it off campus or off camp? Mere hostel. No, even though the man they go school. When you just my easy at all, my easy. Okay, mommy. Love you, mommy. Where are we? My mommy gave it up on the day. Oh, she still send me the hostel. I beg you, I did off camp. But soon we hostel off camp. You guys still like too sweet too. Too sweet.
Babe. Oh my God, I'm away back for a very long time. Baby. Goy, guess what? Everything work out for your own favor. Before I can we are be. No go. Hey, as if 11 and come away, Kedra, they will do deba. 11 now, black vultures. Hey, give me baby, oh. Black vultures, eh, Hamawena. Here, me initiation night. Where now? When a married, you do a beg. Where, whenever, ma, in beg you, where anytime Maria me initiation me na. In fact, you do a pay you 20 years but right now, babe, you don't have to pay anything. Me arrange every year now for you to just come move. More just do the initiation, may you be part of us like that.
Easy. How do you want me to explain this to you? I have told you time without number. I am not interested. Ima only there by any confraternity. Ima only there by any court, please.
Hey, calm down. This is no court. Black vultures, confraternity no. A confraternity now, they protect you. They give you what you want. Ona de baba now. Anybody you not identify when they way black vultures a member of him, and baby you're secured, you're safe. Any place in the area you know, I head, you know. Babe, who will like class who pass in there? Here pay with dues upon dues. Every day, payment you go allow account. Babe, you know what it is to be this confraternity, not be children deal.
Easy. See, let me tell you. Protection can only come from God. And all those they pay you dues, you do the the money my parents send you and I pay school fees, I take care of a school is enough for me. So I'm not expecting anybody to come and pay dues or whatever. See, easy, please. Just rest for this matter. I don't want to join.
Babe, calm down. I'm not saying I'm not disappointing you or something, but trust me, cause on every form of disappointment. Yes, because correct packaging, not good protection. If was Salomon Gavani or Salomon Okpa say your Mera.
I don't hear. You don't true. That's I not to sit down for this room. I get peace. I'm not interested in whatever you're talking about.
No, as in, me think we maybe again maybe yarowa we eravishe iya omobo CNN tia we me nene doings no now preach all over, but I can see that it might get all and eravishe because eravishe go to school. This is free word for us. You can do whatever you want. Mimi, whether you like it or not, a confraternity now to hear deba. Because it's my task. Even unless hate it or run even now, you can't ruin my happiness. Do you know what it takes for me to be part of this? At the end, you just want assignment now, working out to scatter me for what? Babe, confraternity now to hear deba whether you like it or not. I have tried all my possible best. Here you were threatening again and he need.
be these two?
Fine girl.
Who be this girl? Who be this two?
Me, my
What's up,
girl.
baby?
Fine girl.
What's up, baby? How you doing?
Let me have fun. How are you now?
Relax.
Easy, wait till be this one.
Now the matter of
No, wait till be the meaning of this thing now.
Now the gist to the play now.
See, no be say you not sabi my kind of person. You see, as you just say bring this your friends, consult this your friends, you just say hand them off my side. Wait, it be like say you don't tell them say how me take day. No be all this kind thing una dey do so. My own na follow come. You know me. My own na follow come. Who you respect herself? Which kind matter be all this? Even I say una or even toast me say maybe. That's when I do when I say they run as so. Me calm down.
Get my dough.
Bona,
Hey.
calm down, Mimi. I'm fine now.
Mama, like this so. She say make we dey delete.
Calm down. See, little bit calm down. Now so it be. See, Mimi, you know as you be so, my head day for my heart.
She don't know, mama.
Babe, calm down. You don't understand.
Mimi,
calm
you
down.
need to calm down. You need to relax. We need you for this level. Eh? Not be all those toughing attitude. You want tough for us. Don't be. We not say normally say you get normal power.
Easy. See this kind of matter we just relate with me so. See, even also now one even toast me say make me come join. Not be the one I tell the runner so.
Calm
Hey,
down
calm
now.
down. For your information, I know the join.
We know say you get spiritual power now. That's why we need you for this level.
That's why I know we see join.
You go package with us. Your package, oh. Which one you not dey sef? Your package.
See, someone
Mimi.
now take go school and go they read.
Let me tell you something.
Me love you.
You don't come join the level, join the squad now, will change your career. You know say you be now. If you join us, everything about you will change. You look out.
If God dey toast you, then just toast you once, you go for her. You go sweet like that.
That's sweet. That's it. You got package. You don't know.